What's up, you guys? It's me, Toya, and this is a hair tutorial on American Girl dolls. Okay, last night I was in the bathroom playing around with her hair while I was using this, and come to find out, I'm finna show y'all something cool I did with her hair, and it didn't melt when I tried it. First, you're gonna spritz her hair with water and saturate it in water. Then you're gonna braid it. You're gonna make a tiny braid like this. And you're gonna braid it all the way down to the end of the hair. The reason why I'm making this video, because a lot of people don't know what's gonna happen next. And now you get the curling iron. This curling iron is very cheap, so it doesn't get real hot like the high price ones. And you start from the root of the wig and you twirl the braid around it. And you hold it up for about 10 to 15 seconds. Now let it go. But the fun doesn't happen till I unbraid the braid. And I'll start here. Might actually take longer, but almost there. Actually, almost done with her whole head. And voila, I made her hair crimped. There's another way you can do this without putting heat on the doll's hair. Which basically you have to braid her hair in these tiny braids and dunk her head in boiling hot water and let it dry overnight. That's another way you can get permanent type crimps like these. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, you can rate, comment, and subscribe. And I'm gonna try to get a picture of her. I'm trying to get a picture. Do another video after this with a before and after picture.